here's that new flex. That's not bad. All right guys, just finished Woodpecker. Now we're jumping into North Woodpecker Trail. Starting out, North Woodpecker Trail. A little bit of a hill climb. Nothing compared to what we just did on Woodpecker though. This is kind of like the chicken route if you don't want to go a highway to hell, which one, I don't think we have the time for, and we also don't have the rigs for. At least I'm not ready to take this Jeep out there yet. Like, I think I could probably do it, but I just did all the upgrades. I'm gonna get a little more used to it before I do something that hard, because I think that one's rated a 910. I wonder why he's creeping up so slow. Maybe he sees something I don't. Or he's just trying to take it easy. Oh yeah. Oh, dang. Okay, that looked a little harder than I thought. He's riding on his pumpkin. Sometimes it pays to go second. Then you're not the one scraping your pumpkin on a rock. But he definitely did the harder line. So if you guys are new to the channel, I always like to just give a quick overview of the vehicles that are on the trail so you guys get an idea of how your rigs might compare. Right now, my Gladiator, I got a 3.5-inch lift on 38s. Chuck is rolling a JKU on 38s as well, same tires, but he's got a 4.5-inch lift. Both got locking differentials, so pretty decently built up, I guess. I mean, nothing crazy, but it'll give you a good idea just how it might compare to yours. But I don't think this trail's at least North Woodpecker's not too bad. That's where we came from, down there. Whoa, jeez. Gotta keep my eyes on the road. So we've gone uphill quite a bit. Now we're heading downhill. Looks like we got a little loose rock right here, so I'm just letting the engine do a lot of the work and just lightly riding the brakes. I was just zoning out, dozing off, and I just scratched the crap out of the Jeep. Just ran into a huge branch tree hanging over the edge. Hopefully it'll buff out. This is one of the things I've thought about, like a ceramic coating, because I've heard that can like really protect the shell, but I don't know, it seems like a lot of money, and I don't even know if it would work well. Yeah, we're almost done with the trail right now. I think this one hill climb, we're gonna link right back up the highway to hell, and then we'll be on to the next trail. All right, hey, here's that new flex. That's not bad. I actually love this thing right here. So every time I turn my Jeep on and off, I don't have to re-disconnect the sway bar, so that's sick. But look at this flex. Not bad. That's pretty awesome. That's quite a bit. I feel like that's definitely more than I got on my old setup. Let's see how stuffed we are. Oh yeah. We're pretty much all the way in there. Might have another half-inch or so, but that's pretty flexed out. That amount of flex is one of those things that a lot of times when you're in the Jeep, you don't even realize it. Like when you have really good articulation, you don't even realize it sometimes. And I don't know how to not sound cocky, but it's like things just aren't as hard. And again, that's kind of the conversation of difficulty or not.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. I was just flexing. Chuck's checking on me. But again, that's like the difficulty question, right? Like if I did my old Jeep or if I did a stock Jeep or something, like a stock Jeep could do it, but how hard is it gonna be? I mean, that probably would have been a hell of a lot harder if you didn't have this setup. I think this is our final hill climb. I think we're now technically connected to highway to hell. All right, that's it. That's the trail, short and sweet. Probably took about 20 minutes. That's the bypass trail for the highway to hell. Hopefully come back one day and do that trail. But you know, this one was cool. I like the elevation change. I like hill climbs and descents. Got pretty flexy, which was cool. Again, nothing crazy, nothing really write home about, but worth trying. And yeah, subscribe for more. Got a couple more trails coming along the way. Look what we got here on the trail. Hello. Bye. I'll try not to hit you.